Nostalgic charm works beautifully in character homes, but it's not to say that it's restricted just to that type of home. This has got a style that you can take pieces from. You can look at how you can use collections. You can look at taking this sense of old world charm and establishment and putting this into a more modern environment. Remember always that groups of 3 always work better than 1. When you look at your pieces and your items, look at putting them together. They relate to each other, and because of that they become stronger. Also remember that colour plays a very vital part in styles like this, where you have a lot going on. You need one thing that will link, and in this case we've used a colour palette. Nostalgic charm is a style that is about taking pieces that you have carefully gathered and loved and putting them into a setting that gives them reason and a purpose. It's as simple as that. When you're looking at your flooring, you're not restricted to carpet or hard floor. So feel free to use what you want, but if you're using hard floor, maybe look at putting a rug on it and just giving it that sense of warmth and strength and layering that this style actually needs. We've gone for a lighter colour carpet here because we wanted the richness of the wood to speak and the strength of the colours within the cushions. But you're not limited to any particular colour palette. Use what's right for you in your environment.